See, this government, the ministers are acting over enthusiasm, with great enthusiasm. Now, is this really sincerely to streamline the administration, to put all things that are not in order, to put them in order, or it is just to make a big bakwas of the whole scenario? I am coming specifically to the revenue minister. It is reported very well that the revenue minister visited certain offices and he found some LDC, BLDC, some peons and all not coming in time. He issued orders of suspension. Now, my question is, are you trying to just create a show? Trying to show that you are doing something for the benefit of the people by putting these mamuli government servants who are on the lower rank, who are facing so much of difficulties when the government transportation is not in order to reach their office of destinations. Roads are dug left, right and center, vehicles are going round and round. Definitely they will come late. But my question is, and I am not just taking a press conference, on the 4th of April I wrote to the revenue minister asking him what drama is going on. He has to tell us openly to the public of Goa, since he has taken over, what action as a revenue minister he has taken to restore the Cerula Comunidad land, which is directed by the High Court. And not only High Court, the judgment is confirmed by the Supreme Court. My question is, you are suspending officers who do not come in time? I demand from this revenue minister to suspend and take strict action against officers against whom FIR has been lodged. On the contrary, they have been given plum post to help them. He has to come out openly. If they are talking of a new government, a government corruption-free government, he has said that he will be putting everywhere there should be corruption-free, all government offices. My question is, how efficient are you in taking action in the department that you are already holding the charge?